Choosing the equipment is actually pretty easy. Choosing the company that's going to guide your project is much harder. And one bad decision can cost you years of frustration. I've seen it time and time again. After years, 14 years of installing thousands of home theaters all around the country. Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today, we're gonna dive deep into this topic. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode, guys. So let's just cut to the chase, okay? Here's the reality of the situation. Most people only build one dedicated theater, media room, or luxury entertainment space in their entire life. So you don't get a lot of practice. Meanwhile, the company you choose will impact every decision from design and budgeting to installation and long-term support. So you're asking yourself, what to look for in a company, right? Number one, do they listen to me? If the first thing they do is recommend equipment, I'd run. Here at Dreamedia, I've been selling equipment. We've been making sales. I understand that, that's a business. We want to still sell the equipment. We have to complete the experience. But a great company should first understand some key aspects about your life and the project's vision. Things such as lifestyle, your goals, your family, your interests, your budget. Obviously, most of them are just going to cut to the chase on the budget. But at the end of the day, we're trying to achieve your vision. So when you call and you talk to Dreamedia customer service, Dreamedia design, Dreamedia project management, or Dreamedia an actual design architect, a cinema designer, these are going to be the critical points that we're focused on, not the model. You can look up on Google an NZ800 versus an NZ900. I've made videos on that too. But the way that a company provides the absolute most value to you for a luxury build, you're going to build a proper high-performance multi-channel Dolby Atmos surround system, theater experience, is the lifestyle, the goals, it's your family, it's the design preferences, it's the budget, and most importantly, it's your vision. That's why we include the renderings. That's why we include the 360 design tool where you can literally pop into people's heads and look around the room and feel yourself there. That's why we include construction drawings for architects and builders and designers, as well as our tradesmen on site for our project management team to coordinate and collaborate with. The accuracy and the detail that our design team goes into is second to none. We are pushing the industry forward and leading the charge. And what you can expect out of a high-performance, reference-level home cinema going into 2027. We're already halfway through 2026. So we're going to be every year pushing the limit, trying to take things to the next level. But at this point, the Dreamedia Plus program has been nothing but accumulation of years and thousands of systems and feedback from you guys to build the ultimate process to achieve your vision and that experience. The initial reason you called us. All right, guys, so we talked about the average home theater company and what to look out for, red flags. Do they listen to you? One step. Step number two, do they have a process, right? Talk to their staff, kind of ask them how things unfold. Talk about the discovery phase, the consultation phase, the design phase, the implementation phase, the support phase, calibration phase, the full 9 yards, right? You shouldn't be calling somebody if you're building a reference level system and talking about the models of the projectors or speakers. Like, it doesn't matter. It's not what's going to change the vision, the feeling. And the reason I'm emphasizing this so much, guys, is because luxury clients, they want confidence. The confidence comes from the process. So if you're a luxury homeowner, ask them, what is your process? Tell them your vision and see if they listen. They actually understand your vision. Now, number 3, can they think beyond the equipment? So that kind of ties into, do they listen, right? Do they hear and understand your vision? Now, this is huge, guys. Anybody can sell a speaker. Very few companies can help you create an experience, because more than the projector or the speakers, it comes down to a vast variety of categories. And if you're not thinking about every single one, the vision and your experience won't be complete. So make sure you're talking about the lighting, the acoustics, the interior design, the architecture and the seating, as well as the automation. Every category is equally important to achieving the overall experience in the end. Number 4, do they educate? Oh my gosh, guys. If you follow our channel, you see we have like 2,500 videos now. Do they educate? Check out Dreamedia. Everything is about education. It is the cornerstone to our philosophy and everything we stand for here at Dreamedia. It's education first, making you feel empowered in making that buying decision, make you feel confident, right? That's the most important thing to us here at Dreamedia. So, do they educate? The best companies don't pressure you, they educate you. This is exactly what we do on our YouTube channel and what we have done on our YouTube channel for years. Next, let's review the Dreamedia Philosophy. The goal isn't to find someone who can sell you equipment. The goal is to find a partner who can help you make great decisions. Big difference. So let's help you make those great decisions together as a team. Dreamedia wants to be your partner through all coordination, all different categories, and ensuring perfection and alignment with your vision. The equipment you choose matters. The people guiding those decisions matter even more. All right, guys, so in closing, if you're evaluating companies for a home theater, media room, luxury entertainment space, or Dreamedia Plus project, spend as much time choosing your partner as you do choosing the products. Schedule a video consultation, call my customer service, call my design team, call up the dream team, and we'll handle things properly. The entire process is documented and streamlined. We're taking things to the next level, and we'd love the opportunity to build your dream theater, create that experience that your kids and your family remembers for years to come. I really enjoyed today's video. All of these recent videos I'm making about the experience are really, I'm passionate about it. I'm speaking from the heart, guys. I've been at this a long time. I mean, I'm still pretty young and got a lot of life left to live, thousands more theaters to put in. And I just want to make the Dreamedia theaters stand out from the rest. I don't want people to walk in and just be like, another theater, like, yeah, what, Best Buy put that one in for you? I want them to walk in and be like, this is a Dreamedia theater. This is a Dreamedia theater or cinema experience, right? I've been transported, I'm teleported into another world. That's what we're shooting for. Guys, thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for everybody's support. We can't do it without you guys, and I'm just beyond grateful for the level of support. And the type of projects that we're doing now are so cool. It's getting fun, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a blessed week. If you need anything, the Dreamedia design architects and my design team are on standby, ready to create your dream home theater. So reach out today and get started.